Welcome friends, today 27th January and today I'll show you what are the trades that I have taken, what are the profit and loss total, and in chart we will see the reason behind the trades, the support and resistance where I took trade and where I squared off. Today is the monthly expiry, January month expiry, and very volatile market. You can see I have traded in the both the way, like in call option and as well as in put option. Okay, and if you see, it is in different strike price also. I will explain you in chart why there are too many different strike prices I took and what are the reasons. First, I took the loss also, booked the loss, reversed the position. All those things will be cleared in this video. Please see this video till end and please like and subscribe the channel if you really want transparent profit and loss statement and every day. So let's start. So as you can see, I'll refresh also. As you can see, today we made some profit. This is the order book. I started with 16,700 call option because market opened gap down. So I took the call option. It didn't work out. I took a loss. Then I took the reverse position, means I became bearish on the market, but that also doesn't work out. And when I saw actually I have proved wrong by the market, then and then I didn't fight with the market. What I did, I tried to sync with the market, means I followed the trend. What I bought the call option, means I am bullish. I became bullish in the market when I saw the recovery is starting in the second half. And I took little bit more position because the chart is saying that Nifty is going up. I will describe it is in chart, just wait. And then we got a handsome profit. So as a whole, if you can see, total 18,000 profit. And as you know, all you guys, I have started this account with 67,000 rupees, and now it was previously 91,000 and today's 18,000 profit will also add. So it is a good percentage wise a good profit. Now see the charts, how it looks like. Okay, you can see the Nifty ended 17,110 consolidated closing position. Bank Nifty ended in green. Let's open the Nifty chart to explain what is going on. Okay, so let me go to the Nifty bank index, Nifty. Okay, then I open the chart and I'll explain you in chart. First, see the long term view. Okay, first daily chart. You have to see the daily chart. Here the last candle, as you see, this is the daily chart candle, and if you see, it is nearing the pivot point. Okay, when today market has started, it is nearing to pivot point. So you have to be little bit cautious because pivots sometimes act as a support as well. So when it started like downward movement, then you have to be cautious that how much amount you should take in the negative side because it is nearing to the support. So you should not be too much aggressive, and also you should not be missing some opportunity. So you need to size your position. In 15 minutes chart, it will be little bit more clear. If you see, today market has started with a gap down. Okay, now in gap down, it again, if you see, this is the daily support point, these green lines, and there it stayed, it took support. I took the CE, the call option here when it started, like when it took support, but it went up. I am in the money here. If you see, I was in the money in this third green candle, but afterwards again market drifted down because market, the medium term trend is negative as per global market trend. That's why the support didn't hold too much and I took a loss. You see, I have not holded out. When I saw, okay, it is breaking down the support line here, you see, I have just booked my profit or loss, not in the profit in this case, like square of the position, and I took the loss. Then I went into the, then I took the short position, okay. That short position also worked out, but as you see, the volatility is there in market, hence I was chopped out. And this is the most of the trader do the thing, okay, because this type of expiry day choppiness is there. See, for example, here the market reverses and in put option I took the loss, and in this, when I saw this big green candle here, I'll mark it. When I see the big green candle here and it closes, the candle closes above the support line, above the daily support line, it gives me little bit confidence. No, in the second half bulls are a little bit stronger, because two things. One is little bit like last 1 week, if you see, 1 week if you see, there is a negativity in market. So those people who are short, there will be some sort of short covering that is expected in the last half of the expiry. And also, as today is the gap down, so the short, the bears will have some profits in their kitty, so they will also want to be like to take the profit. So it will, this short covering things will happen. And chart clearly shows here, you can see the constant 15 minutes 2-3 candles are indicating that market is strong. So I have reversed my position and I took the CE 17,000 strike call option. I have took when the market was nearing 16,990, like this position. I took the 17,000 call option and it gave me a handsome profit, because as you see, the chart is going up and I booked profit somewhere here. Okay, what is the rationale behind that? Now try to understand. In the first half, when the market is against you, because it is a gap down, then again goes down, I took 2 trades, 2 times chopped out, stop loss hit and other things, okay, but I took the decision based on the what chart is saying, and that is important. Say for example, clearly this support range is holding for second half, then we should take one trade and put the stop loss below the day's low. Okay, you can size your position accordingly, and you can play this reverse thing if you wish. Sometimes if the chart is not showing anything, you can close the day also. Okay, it is not that every day you need to win or every day you need to close in green. Okay, some days you will have the loss. Okay, but see the chart support level, and main thing is the sentiment. What sentiment is saying? Sentiment, what it is saying, every day, every 3-4 days, I will open the daily chart. The medium term trend, if you see, these candles clearly showing that market is in sold position, like people doesn't have much position in their hand, they have sold positions. Many traders have the like short position in market. So in the last day of expiry, okay, people are not buying, that is understandable, but maybe people will not sell, or the whoever sold earlier, they will cover their position here. Okay, so that is one rationale also that is played out in the second half, and accordingly based on the chart medium term like daily and 15 minutes or 30 minutes, you need to take the decision. Afterwards I'll make one separate video like times span of the chart reading, like day for intraday, daily, 15 minutes or 1 hour, what chart we should see, time period we should see, and accordingly take the decision. Please subscribe the channel, because every day with live PNL I am showing you all those things, explaining all those things. Please like and subscribe the channel, and have a good day. Thank you.